Hi guys, today I'm going to share few tips and tricks which I use to edit videos using Canva and iMovie. So the first one I'm going to share is the one where you can use green screen from Canva using templates and stickers to create your own social media pages or any other text or titles. So let me show you how. So this is, I'm just going to show my some of the videos and pictures from my other channel. So the first one is creating like a social media page. So all I've done here is selected a green color for the background using just the standard using standard green color palette from here. This is what I've done is I'll create another one on the side. So let's say I'll pick a line here. Let's say I pick this line, add a text, heading here. Focus, or in this scenario I can do the startup router. Make it bigger. I can also add a logo. That's the startup router logo. Okay, let's remove this and just add the logo. There we go. So that's the logo. I can change the color of the label, as you can see. Yeah, I can keep it yellow, white. Just keep it white. I think it looks nice. Next thing I need is those icons. So I can just go on elements, search Instagram. Yeah, why not Facebook? You can align it properly to make sure that it's the same size. What else? This is quite interesting kind of pictures as well. You can put pictures in this kind of frames. Let's say Pinterest. So I add the Pinterest logo as well. I pick the wrong one. I think these are enough for now. There you go. And what I can do is, for future reference, I can just combine this. So I've got another image in the background, so I'll just lock it so I don't touch that. I've got those together and I can group it. Now you can see I can move this whole thing anywhere I want on the screen. And final thing I can do is I can add an animation. So you can see I can set a animation how I want these things to appear. It's quite simple. There we go. So that looks good. I can set how long I want the animation to be. So you can see as a video how it's gonna look. There's a subscribe button there, that's why. So this is how it actually looks. Yeah, and then all you need to do is, as long as it's green screen, you can download the video. I'll just download this whole video and it will be downloaded. Now what I'll do is I'll open up my iMovie, and in that iMovie I can import that video. Let me import it fresh so it gives you an example. you go, it's downloaded now. So what I'll do is I'll drag and drop this video here. So when you drag and drop it on top of your existing video, it will just show up like this. So what you can do is you can click that video, double click that video, and on top it gives you an option, and you can say it's a green or blue screen. So when you do green or blue screen, it uses that as an overlay. So now if I play this video, there you go, it's added it like an animation, and that's it. So you can see it comes and goes at the end as well. So it works really nicely. You can't even tell it's been done in Canva. Comes with an animation. You can do titles, screens, intro videos, all of those things using it. So that's trick number 1. The next one I'm going to show is how you can create an outro video. So you can see this is the outro video that I've got. You can see there's full-on animations, highlighted stickers about follow and subscribe, some highlighted arrows, and if it's also got a sound. So if I play this, you can see it comes with a sound. So if you wanna do the end video of YouTube, you can do an end video of YouTube using this kind of trick. So let me show you how you can do that. Create a new page, start with templates, YouTube outro, start with an existing video you think that will work for you. So I'll start with this looks good. There's hundreds of choices in Canva, so feel free to use them. Second thing you want to do is you want to add some animation. So a good way to do is just search stickers, and you can see there's a lot of animation stickers. So you can have any of those stickers, but let's say I want a subscribe sticker. So you can see there's subscribe in different languages, but let's say this is the subscribe I want. I can use subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. And let's say I want these rectangles to be doing some animation as well. So let's say rectangle sticker. So again, not doing anything fancy here, just the basic stuff. There you go, this is the one I used, but there's loads of choices. This is another option. You can use this, and then I'll copy that, move that here, subscribe, maybe this looks better, there we go. And then you can add a text as you see fit. So for example, you can say playlist, or next video. You can do any of those things. And again, sorry, and what you can also do is when you have multiple videos like this, you can just click download video and just select the page you want to download. So you can just say download page 3 of it, done, download, and it will download the video. Another important thing you can also do is, let's say in the background I want to change the background. So let's say I want this background. So now you can see it's a flowing background in the back. So you can make your animation video, your intro or outro video with an animation in the background, which is quite cool. What you can also do is add music. So there's hundreds of choice over here in the music, and I've used this ukulele song. And what you can also do is it comes up with this option in terms of the music you want to add, but you can also change. So if you just want the centerpiece, then you can use that. So if you just want the centerpiece, you can use that centerpiece of the song as well, and it will download with the music and video. So you can, another thing with Canva is you can download just the videos as well. So let's say if you want some kind of a B-roll, if I just want like a B-roll of London city, I can just search London, use that as a background, or just the video. So I can use this video. Just make sure your dimensions are set to 1920 by 1080, so you're downloading the right size. There we go. And you can just download this MP4 video, which is 12 seconds long, which is which is decent for a B-roll video. So yeah, so that's another trick. So download your music from it, download your videos from it, create titles, create your titles from it, text. What I also do is I create animations. So I create this kind of animations, slide transitions using this. So all I do is between screens I use a transition like this, or if I want below the video titles for like the communication, I just put a green screen, add a text, and I'll show you an example of how it looks as well. These are the other channel videos which I'll show you. So this is another example. You can see I've added the same green screen videos, and I'll just mute the sound. Yeah. So you can see it's coming up on the right with the animations. Let me make it full screen. So if I show you this, there you go. So you can see it's coming up with green screen, and again I'm just using Canva, nothing fancy, and iMovie. I'd like to learn more softwares, but that's where I am right now. So yeah, I just download the green screen versions of the video and then open it. The next thing I wanted to talk about was how I create my weekly post on Instagram and Instagram stories. So this is a good example. So what I do is I've created these templates which works for my channel, and what I do with them is I keep my templates ready, so I know what to post on each day. So this is Monday. We share two videos a week on that channel, so Wednesday and Saturday. Let me zoom in. Yeah, so Wednesday and Saturday, so I've got those two videos things ready, and all I need to do is I have thumbnails ready, which I create on Canva as well. And again, just search YouTube thumbnails, and you can find a lot of them pre-made ones, and that's what I mostly use. A good tip for a YouTube thumbnail is don't use more than three or four words on the thumbnail. And so what I can do is once the thumbnail is uploaded or the photo is uploaded, I can just drag and drop the photo for the following week. Or I have videos of particular teaser videos, then I can just drag and drop those videos, and you can see this.
Do you spend your evening cooking, eating and cleaning?
And so it comes up with the video. I've added the music on it, so let me show you how it looks. And I download this videos. I've got all this in one file, but you can see I've got stickers here, so it changes the colors, makes it more interactive, and so I'll show you how it looks.
Do you spend your evening cooking, eating and cleaning?
We identify our grocery shopping in three distinct ways. First is the use so it gives you a clue in terms of how this looks, and it's really very easy to manage. You can just drag and drop things and schedule it. So yeah, so it's very easy. Just create your template once and reuse it each week. I have one for each day, and it's just drag and drop. So when I'm editing a video, I create the thumbnails, I create 2 or 3 teasers, and then I just drag and drop here, schedule it using a scheduler. And that comes to that takes us to the final point for using Canva. So one of the new things that they have introduced is using the content planner. So let me show you how it is. Let me open a particular any image, and so what you can do now is you can actually schedule things directly from Canva into Facebook page or Pinterest or Tumblr. So what you do is, once you've created your file, you can click this down or the settings icon next to the download on top right, and what you can do is you can select Facebook page, Twitter, Facebook group. There's a bunch of different options: Pinterest, LinkedIn, Tumblr. But let's say if you were doing it for Pinterest, what you need to do is you select the board. It comes up with the board once you've connected your account, and you can type in the title as well as the description you want. So you can use it for and it's got the destination website as well, so you can put the YouTube link or the video link, so they can click on Pinterest and come directly to the site. But the most important part now they have here, which was they just have publish now option before, but now they have scheduled to publish later. So you can go in and select the date, let's say tomorrow, and say what time you want to post this, and call it done, schedule post, and it will add it to the content planner. So that's the new feature. You see it says it's on the content planner. So if I click content planner, there's a new option on the left hand side. You can see here it says content planner, and over here you can see the photos or videos that I've scheduled using Pinterest. So you can open it and see what's scheduled for tomorrow at Sunday was November. So you can directly do it. And if they bring the Instagram stories features into this, I don't need another software that needs to be paid for. Actually, I just remembered one bonus feature which is really good, and it's worth exploring, is the background remover. So they have got this really cool feature, which I use on a lot of my photos as well, is this background remover. So let me create a design, just a custom size. Let's say YouTube thumbnail is fine. You can see if I click YouTube thumbnail, automatically on the left hand side it comes with the options for YouTube thumbnail. So let's say this one. Now if I find a photo of anyone, let's say this is just a generic photo, but what I can do now is so I can take this photo, and what I can do is, if I double click on the photo, done, select this, click effects, you can see on the left hand side it comes up with background remover option, which is brilliant. So if I click background remover, it does this magic. I mean, this used to take hours in Photoshop. So there you go, it's done it. You can see it's taken that photo that we found here. This was the one with the background, and it's taken out the background. So let's say if you're taking any images from the internet, you can easily just remove the remove the background and use it. So it's really cool. Like, I've used it in one of my thumbnails recently, the meal planning one. That's the one. So I just took the photo, and I've just it automatically cropped this thing using the background remover. So really cool feature. Also, what it does have as well is, if I pick another photo, let's say, and if I show you effects again, there's different options you can do. So there's option to have a flow, a shake, or you can reset it if it's not looking good, but you can do simple filter effects as well. So there's option for epic, some basic editing features, nothing fancy, but really cool features that you can just use to enhance the videos. But the best one obviously is the background remover. So yeah, so that was the bonus feature that I just remembered last minute. So that's all from my side. That's all for this video. Hope you found this useful. And if you have any questions, or if you need any of the assets or any functionalities that I've shown, or want me to go into greater detail, please post that in the comment, and I'll create a separate video for it, or I'll share those assets with you. Hope you found this useful. Please hit that like button to subscribe. It will really help me out, and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.